Get settled, boy.
Hey, your mother should have swallowed
Door
you.
must be open to all kinds
There
of
any
ugly
outlaws
today.
around here need catching?
Posters on the wall. Fella's been going into construction yards in the night, taking tools and the like. All kinds of folks is angry about this one, right up to City Hall. Standing in the way of progress, they say.
Zizendorf, is it?
That's how he says it. I thought he was a nice feller, respectable. The Germans usually are, but not this one.
You know the man?
I do. Caught him selling stolen tools, and I was persuaded he'd been had. We're sure we've got our man now, though, and we're sure he'll strike again.
Okay, I'm glad. 'Cause I ain't never sure of anything. Oh, thanks for the information.
I should like that one to be sensible when they're returned. Don't snuff them. Say hello to that no good from me.
Saludos.
Hey there, puss. Hello, cat. What's going on in there?
Huh?
I got you, Zizendorf.
It's all circumstantial.
I gotta be more.
Move yourself.
Eyes where you're walking.
Damn it. Damn you.
Let's make sure you can't run off anywhere else.
You really don't need to do that. Oh, my dinner. To be treated like some common criminal. Think about it. Did you really see anything?
Hey there.
It was dark. Many shadows. The frame of the building was in your way. Was I taking something? Me, a respectable fellow, an upstanding citizen? Or was I tying my shoe? The burden of proof is on the prosecution, and if you give false testimony, that might be a civil matter.
This is the police station. You might need a rest.
This is an embarrassing mistake. My good name will be ruined.
Shut it.
I ain't feeling too good.
You're coming with me.
Hello, sir.
How's everything going?
Caught this one dead to rights, didn't I, Mr. Zizendorf?
Mr. Chief, I took a wander through construction. It's a mistake.
Enough of you. Put that German in the cage.
Innocent until proven.
Quiet. There. Settle in.
You got your man, and here's your money.
If only they was all like this.
A crime.
I saw that. You were paid to give false testimony. But this won't hold up in... The evidence is purely circumstantial.
Herman, will you quiet yourself?
I shall be vindicated in the courts. Pardon me, sir.
Save it for the judge.